new LACMA, a levitated mass hovering above Wilshire Boulevard, Los Angeles, California. The new museum is suspended and not touching the ground, as there is no obligation for something remarkably artificial to directly be connected to the site. It needs to float above the plane of reality. What we propose is 4 museums in one, with distinct partition systems. Configuration A, B, and C. These 4 partition systems are stacked vertically within 4 even square section of the museum. The Mega Museum is then contaminated with 7 distinct terrains. These terrains and partition fields are composed together vertically, overlapping, cutting and hollowing out each other. The supernatural illusion of levitation of the rock relies on a steel frame, as it three-dimensionalizes the default grid that is projected onto a massive landscape and topography. The grid is a way to discipline the map and rationalize it. As a result, the grid suggests an overachieving and intrusive system that determines where rooms will be placed and where circulation goes, controlling the chaos inside the exhibition spaces. Our project works with terrain and partition fields to bring a different take on the known possible arrangements of a museum gallery space. Our final intention is to emphasize the separation of the building's internal contamination with terrain, slabs, and walls. Within the exhibition spaces, the convergence of terrain, slab, walls and steel frame contaminate each other indefinitely to create a well-balanced hybrid of museum typologies. Some gallery walls extend all the way to the ceiling while others don't. It is a way to suggest that the terrain is not an even or stable surface, therefore elements resting on it should not be stable either. As an architectural response regarding the security of artwork, the stepping terrain and floor slabs create an architectural barrier between the artwork and the viewer, making the presence of ropes or any additional security elements unnecessary. The sign of security is architectural. On the roof of the museum, experiential sculpture gardens are open for visitors to roam freely as well as enjoying a levitated view of the Hollywood Mountains. This installation is a revolutionary way of conceiving land art, where artificially generated landscapes become the basis of site-specific sculptures. On your supernatural visit to the new LACMA, visitors will be able to experience Michael Heitzer's levitated mass, but with a twist. It's much bigger, and hosting a quadruple mega museum inside of it. Welcome to Le Musée Imaginaire.